Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make row different sizes in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now I am make the row size different. At first, select a row, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu, select the format drop down menu and choose the row height option. Now I am make the row height is 25, then press enter. Now I am select another row and go back again the row height option. Now I am make the row height 30, then press enter. Now I am select another row and make the size another. Now I am make 40. Now I am select another row and make the size different, make 50. Now we can see we make rows different sizes in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.